Welcome to Ramp Designer Advanced Tutorial. Your design data is stored in the background while the Ramp Designer is opened. It is saved to the drawing file whenever the file is saved in the Ramp Designer Save Data Element X Record. Other elements can be deleted or modified without affecting the design. On loading, all elements are redrawn. Use the Redraw All Elements command to redraw all elements while the Ramp Designer is opened. The profile object contains numerous settings that affect the display and behavior of Ramp Designer, such as text size and style, label precisions, and default ramp settings. Access your profile through Profile Settings. You can load existing profiles, create new ones, or reset the current profile values to default. Ramp information can be modified using the Modify Ramp Info command. Select a ramp and click Modify Ramp Info. Border and text alignment angle can also be adjusted through here. Delete ramps by selecting one or more of them through the list and click Delete Ramp. Use the Go To Ramp command or double-click on a ramp in the ramp list to move your camera to that ramp. Use Export to Text File to export ramps to a text file. Use Import From Text File to import these ramps. Use Export to CVS File to export ramps to an Excel-readable CVS file. Use Convert to Kogo points to create 3D points and 3D surfaces from your designs. In Point Information, Point Offset allows you to set a point at a fixed elevation offset from another point on a surface. Click Point Offset. Locate a point. Enter an elevation offset. And click OK. Points can be renamed through the Point Information command. Or use Renumber Points command to quickly renumber multiple points. Use Delete Points and Delete Segments commands to delete objects. Use Delete All Points command to delete all points in a ramp. You can assign different manual slope criteria to each segment. While changes to slope criteria other than manual will update any segments with that criteria, slopes assigned with the manual type will not be updated. Existing slope criteria can be deleted by clicking the Delete Criteria button. New slope criteria can be created by clicking Create New and filling in information. Use Copy Criteria from Profile to copy in the default slope criteria from your profile. Use the Change All Slopes to Absolute button to quickly change all slope directions to absolute. Use tie segment slopes to attempt to keep a pair of slopes equal. Directional segments can only be tied with other directional segments, and absolute direction segments only with other absolute direction segments. To untie a segment, use the Tie Segment Slopes command. Select the segment for Step 1 and select the segment again for Step 2. The program may not always find a solution or identify the invalid path when using tied segments. When a calculation fails and no invalid path is found, try untying segments first. Use Create Points Table to quickly summarize your design. The points table can be customized in several ways, from text size and style, to margins, to formatting of the cell values. Formatting follows the same rules as formatting numbers in an Excel spreadsheet. Saved views allow you to quickly change what layers are turned on and off. Select a saved view from the Saved Views list and click Load Selected View to load it. You can also double-click the view from the list. To change what layers are to be displayed by a saved view, modify layer visibility as desired. Select the view and click Update Selected View. You can create new views with the Create New View button. And delete views with the Delete Selected View.